Now let me go on to Dada KD. I spoke to Dada KD just this Friday.
Friday?
Oh, the day he died.
In the morning?
In the morning, yes. So how did I'm booking Dada KD for the show that London, yes. My name is partner, I'm the booking agent here. Ransford, yes, Ransford of the DME group and Ayeye Ejumano. And I've been engaging Dada KD for over 2 months now. They be aminin on Ekasa.
Wow.
Yes, so just yesterday, na me catch and say they've missed some appointments. Send a seminar corner. We can't get 2 slots for Onunini manager. Because the initial plan was Onunini manager beko. But Oma 2 times I pay in Oma to me uncle, yes. So me catch and say we can't get the 2 slots. Ebenya Onupe for now. Because Onuna ni huhia pa ebia. On the other day, you better try say benya ni manager. And na menini kasa na on kasa ye like ni kasa muye, you know, like shaky kakra. Yes, no so ya any home fano, you know. And I'm so Matthias and the maminja no kakra. Ebi enumre. Yes, ni en kasa, ye kasa. Then we'll decide on what to do. Into me partner ni kasa that moment. Me say o mama ni manager now, and I'm a friend manager now, and I'm catching manager and say. Me need that KD because also on any crown at home. But he kasa ni I can I'm catching okay. We can't get both of you. You benya amanda KD, but we'll try yours. Inti me say that KD yaris say. But if you can see ebi ochina na no so would be or assure me so within an hour or be prepare no na omunkoji. Yes, omunkoji visa no within the next hour. So my friend, my partner Ransford, the boss of DME group, and I'm catching so me on makasa. Until they should go ahead and prepare Dada KD's invite, yes, Onupe day for now. So that we'll find another day for the manager. No. The manager ni oba. So mini manager ni kasa mini runs for Sukasa yana Dada KD and kasa frame biom. And also what you say? Cause not mini come before so onu kwa but offer him bago so what you say Onupe beko. Until yenye na yenye when I'm say okay cool. And one know so around 7, I think 6:37. Enna Ransford frame from London. Say, oh, Mati Diaba me so there be. I say, oh, only the other KD manager Casas is here, but I see that KD film. And me see, me crowd can't say we film no me see then we film one boss show na say. Okay, because me need that KD Casa, you know. No, also on kwa to me boss show. So I'm thinking they're having challenges, you know, and I booked them. So now me catch and now me catch anything concerning the artist. Go on fan me so that I can fast track the process. Me book on no Jupiter any this new chap that is doing so Yakojo Black doing so well. You know, and so there be. Oba kasa go see means na or ye ni ade. I say, are you sure? And I mean. A mama drink was okay. We say me ni kasa earlier not see ni who shut down fan. But the mama friend the manager so me I hanged up on my guy and called the manager. And I'll catch him say me friend go no fire ni mama ni fire manager ni mama ni fire.
Oh.
So mo bawi. Hospital. It's a sad situation, but me Nyankopon na ready asida be man. Ono no nim de oye. But one say na my sister can be kakra say the small time on when who Dada KD no she thinks we're troubled kakra and it's true. I don't know so only needing come coach here is it kakra confirm me baby say he wants like Ghana to blow like Kumasi to come up. He seems a little bit concerned and that is where my concern is. But Obiani Sena not here. You can't stop people from thinking the way they want to think. But Mimeka said we should protect our mental health. Okay. And you're very, very important. Very, very, very important. Because no matter what you do, all you have is now. CCR. CCR. We are nobody's promised the end of the show. Yeah. Nobody. No. Nobody. So promised the end of the show. But you may trash CCI.
It's true.
Make us say, we'll say, condolences to the family, you know, and just knowing him this very short time, I think he was an amazing person, you know. It's just that he was bottled up with a lot of things.
Empress, Dada KD woni there. I think say Endra na me wo me phone so. Me din comment na me share am for status. And na me hu say me ba blogger be TED News and na me hu so there too. So me yamu shame na me say oh when cause me kai as freshly say be 1 or 2 weeks ago no when na Romeo show so omo bon komo ana no kasa anyom tofo omo hu chire omo na sika ni ho ni ade. So I was honestly really surprised. Say esi me de koto sorry some 1 or 2 entertainment platforms be mu no omo confirm we say no kwe. And then the next question I mean busa me who said dear na year no because he looked very healthy. Na oh, he doesn't look like Obia Wayaria da honi ade. Empress, that begs the question, say, how often do we do our checkups as people? When
was the last time I heard it?
Yes, so I asked myself, hey, into me babe they are able to me I check and I say, yes, see me ni ho biomuni ade because the man looked very healthy, not showing you know. No, I'm just saying it could happen, but ain't
something, but if I can love.
So, Mestre say, ejuma na ye no. You see, we sacrifice so much for ye ejuma ye. To me PFF at no pa obebe fie no. Na ade achi, you don't get enough sleep. Na what's sorry. But you see, the thing is that when you die, life goes on. Ebi say when we show anaya billing was we, the show is still going on. And I think say as individuals, especially as creative people, no so because the ejuma na very demanding and tedious, put yourself first at all cost. Me nkai Ghana for ya. Me kai say yeah, Papa President Mills enya ni baby koye. Within the next few hours, we swore in another president. So life will go on, whether you are there or not. It's a message that we tie me a ejuma wo ye no. Edi with time ebia wo nya kwan enko cheke wapomuden mu wo nhwe wo hu ye udidi basabasa eni ade ye be hye ye nina I mean well I can't speak for everybody but me ankasa so no me ye bi enti ebia we say ye ma ye you know we say ye hwe ye hu ye we say ye hwe ye hu ye one encounter me need Dada KD nya me nya kwan interview no
okay
and he is such a lovely person. But one thing I didn't understand, as a Mrebia Okasa, he had so much to complain about. And Nana Romeo Kabibi said he was battling with some emotional and depression and whatever. So I'm really wondering what was really going through his head. What am I say? He's such a fine musician. Ninyumba kwa oboya, nyumno na metunso na mentiasi. Ni nyumi principle shima me ro hwe ono be chere me lyrics na nsa na me hu say sa na wo ka wo nyum nim. So I think say we see ye hwe ye hu ye as individuals hu be hia pa na meme busuafo so shedding me ti ye say na busuafo kra ni Ghana mo wo Germany because at the time I didn't say utumi say no nko ana oye dem owo ho nti ebusuafo shedding na Ghana fo so ya hwe ade papa, and I can only say, so let's all take care of ourselves and may he rest in perfect peace.